Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course, the sleep mode and hibernate and all of that has started a little debate on the channel, and it's always the same every time we talk about it. And of course, three or four of you have actually also asked, is it better to turn off my PC at night or not? And this has been probably a debate for ages. If you consider that it's mostly, and this is where my stand is, consider that it's mostly a question of power usage. You want to save money and save energy, well, just shut it down, and that's it. Is a PC that you shut down versus hibernate versus leave on all the time? Is there a difference in the lifespan of that PC? Honestly, not really. If you leave your PC on 24 hours a day, it'll probably last as long as anybody that shuts down the PC every day. It's really, today, a question of just, saving energy. There's also something that a lot of people don't know. There are two things you can actually see in Windows, and you might notice that Windows 10, Windows 11 boots pretty fast in general. And that has to do with a feature that is in Windows that actually basically is kind of a quick start feature. But in return for that feature, there's a problem, is that when you shut down, you don't totally shut down your PC. People have the impression I shut down so the PC doesn't use any energy anymore. Not really. The shutdown in most Windows PCs is configured to save your session the way it is and keep it alive. We can say it's a different form of sleep mode or hibernation. Now, that can be turned off, but it will be to the cost of your PC taking a lot longer to boot up because it will start from scratch every time. Now, that's why when you have problems on a computer, I always say click the restart button. Why? Because restart always starts fresh. You might notice that a restart takes longer than a shutdown and a pressing the power button to start up. And it is because a restart flushes all of your session information and reboots Windows from scratch. So there are differences in there, and that's something to know because a lot of people don't know that. And if you do have recurring issues when you shut down your PC and boot it up again, well, just make sure that you do a restart. It is the reason why Windows Update does restarts. Because it will clean up the Windows install and, of course, have a fresh install of all the updates rather than having something that can interfere with it. So there is a huge difference in most Windows installs between a restart and a shutdown. And for the rest, like I said, if you keep your PC on all the time, it will do a few things. For example, your monitor should shut down. You don't want to leave your screen on all the time. And these are settings that are already in Windows. So, your PC's monitor will shut down. Most of the time, the hard drive will stop at some point if you have a spin-in drive. And, it'll just keep active the main core of your PC. Like I said, the difference in the lifespan of a PC between those that leave it on all the time and those that shut it down is probably very minimal. So it won't last longer or not. It's purely, and I think today this is where it's the most important, it's purely a question of how much energy and the cost of your, electricity bill at the end of the day. PCs do consume quite a lot of power. So leaving them on all the time actually makes a difference in your power bill. So that's probably much more where all of it stands than in the lifespan of your PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.